Is your Cricket phone locked and not accepting other SIM cards? Don't worry. Here's how to unlock it.
In this video, I'll show you the easiest and safest way to unlock your Cricket phone step by step. First, check eligibility and submit your request. Next, receive the unlock code and enter it in. Help, my phone is locked to one network. A locked phone only works with one network, like Cricket Wireless. Unlocking lets you use any SIM card worldwide. Active 6 months, not reported lost, paid off. To unlock your phone officially, make sure it has been active for at least 6 months, is fully paid, and not reported lost or stolen.
Next, find your IMEI number by dialing *#06#. This number is required to unlock your phone.
Alright, Cricket unlock page, IMEI entered, submit. Oh, eligibility confirmed, instructions.
After approval, insert a new SIM card. If asked, enter the unlock code. Your phone is now ready to use with any network. If your phone isn't eligible, you can use trusted third-party unlocking services. But be careful and avoid scams. Avoid free unlock generators online. They don't work and can harm your device. And that's it. Your Cricket phone is now unlocked. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides.